Potential energy, energy stored within an object. Kinetic energy, energy of an object in motion. When kinetic energy increases, it affects other objects in the universe. Have you ever seen a flash mob? You know the chills that go up your spine when you see a huge number of people doing something important together? That feeling is from the kinetic energy of people, lots of people, doing something together, affecting you. When people do things together, our kinetic energy grows and can influence other things in the universe. This is the spirit behind V-Mobilize, a game you play together on a team with friends, family, co-workers, to turn your potential energy into kinetic energy. V-Mobilize is a team-based social network game designed to get people, lots of people, to the voting booth during elections, turning our potential energy into kinetic energy. To play, just sign up at vmobilize.org. You can join the game as a captain launching a new team or as a player joining an existing team. Ask people in your social networks, friends and family on and offline to join your team by sending invites through V-Mobilize's website. Get points for reaching out and growing your team. Get more points for bringing on board people who aren't usually into politics. Get points for other challenges along the way, like visiting a website, donating to a charity, or taking a selfie doing something wonderful or generous. Points only end up on your team tally if you actually show up to the polls on election day. Virtual rewards and prizes will be awarded to star players and teams. The team with the most points wins. The best part? When lots of us turn our potential energy into kinetic energy by voting in elections, all of our voices are heard, so we all win. So come, join the game, tell your friends. Just visit vmobilize.org.